Yeah, hey, what's up, everybody? Back at it again, over here at Target, and yeah, I mean, this looks like already been picked, but I was told that take a look. This is gonna be the super for this case, the L case, but like you guys know, I do not know which is the super. I'm always asking, hey, which is gonna be the super, and shoot, man, let's take a look at this 9-pack, because oh man, this is the newest one. I had seen it, I just did not have memory to record, but yeah, this one is I gotta choose the best 9-pack so I can take one of these 9-packs. So yeah, man, let me see. They are sort of kind of, you know what I'm saying, identical, but there's gotta be one that has a good variety. And well, you guys know I'm looking for JDM. Not really about exotics, but one that is just JDM. And shoot, I mean, even though I like this one, the 9-pack does not convince me. So ideally, I'm looking for one that has the Type R and the Datsun, and well, just about any other JDM. But yeah, man, it's gonna be hard. It's gonna be hard to find one of those. Yeah, this one doesn't even have a JDM. This one doesn't have the Datsun. And oh man, this one is nice. And this one as well. But that's about it. I mean, I like the Drifter and the exotic, but still not convincing. And I still have not gotten this white one, which I am gonna be on the lookout for that one. So I'm just gonna wait. I'm not gonna take any. Other than that, I mean, they got a few of the rare editions, so if you guys are missing some of those, other than that, it's just mostly the what you call them, the fantasy cars. Oh my god, take a look at this, guys. Wow, yeah, bro. Yeah, damn, that's crazy. I seen this thing on the Facebook group, man. A lot of people have been posting finding this recently, and I'm glad I got to find one. Yeah, man, this is some cool stuff. Yeah, there's only there's an exotics. Whoops. There's that Datsun. Yeah, I don't see another one from up here. And let me go ahead and take a look real quick. Yeah. Anyways, I mean, I kind of rushed it at the store, but take a look at this, man. The Fate of the Furious 61 Impala. Yeah, this thing is nice. Very old school. Then the second one is the Fast and Furious 72 Ford Gran Torino. I think it's clean. I really like the paint job. Sparkly. And just the white stripe. It's got the side markers. Chrome grille. Very nice, luxurious rims. Yeah, my little one agrees. And take a look, Fast 5, the Corvette Grand Sport Roadster. Damn, look at those rims though. They go well with the casting. Yeah, I do not see, well, yeah, they're on the back, the temples. That thing looks neat. And the hood, I don't think I can see them in the front end. And then the Fast and Furious 6, the 74 Escort. Yeah, I think this is yeah, I think we've seen this one. So, I mean, nevertheless, it's a real nice car. Right-hand drive, chrome interior. But take a look at this one, man. This is the Fast and Furious 70 Chevelle SS. Yeah, very nice as well. And this one is like flat gray, like a matte gray. No clear coat, just like very nice. That thing was so dark, like a limo tint, but no. The windows are rolled down. It just looks nice. Very nice. And I don't know, man. I think the wheels should have been like hollow, and then the star or the 5 spokes, but they just kept it all just the 5 spokes, but it's not a hollow wheel. I mean, it still looks nice, but that's just my 2 cents. Anyways, man, I hope you guys get to this one. If you guys don't have it yet, I found these at a Target, and I am very pleased. I'll try and go to another Target just to get one more for my bro, cause yeah, we just look out for each other, you know how it goes. Yeah, my little one is asking for another one, but we'll see if we find his as well. Yeah. Well, yeah, man. There's no more Fast and Furious 5 packs. And I also my friend David, he wanted some of the blue Audi, but I don't see one. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and head out to another Target and see if I get lucky over there. But yeah, man, just stay tuned. And yeah, so I just got a Target, different Target, and take a look. I hadn't seen these ones actually, the Mario Kart, and it even has like its own track set, which is kind of cool. I mean, the castings themselves are $4.99, and right here is the complete set. This is the Mario, which is kind of cool. I mean, it does really look like Mario. The big nose and just the mustache and everything. Okay. Déjalo ahí, por favor. And yeah, we gotta look at that too. Very similar to the actual character. And one thing I just noticed is that the wheels are not rubber, but they do look like durable. I don't know if they're wood or plastic, but most likely plastic. And take a look at Luigi. Also very nice car. Yeah. And the Princess Peach. She's going fast. Yeah. Very nice castings actually. And Bowser. This guy's mean, man. This guy's mean. Man, these things are realistic. Or very detailed, I should say, you know what I'm saying? But, yeah, I don't know why they put the pink car on this guy. That kind of looks weird. But then you got Yoshi with the blue wheels. This is nice. I like the blue wheels and the white color. Yeah, this one is sweet. But anyways, if you guys like the Mario Kart, keep an eye. $4.99 a car, and if you get the $20 track set, it comes with one character already. So you would need to buy just the remaining 4. But yeah, man. Other than that, there is the Hot Wheels section. I'm late. No red editions. No regular treasure hunt, and I mean, they still got some good cars. You can see right away. This is the Panamera, which I do not remember if I got one, but most likely that I did. There's the Mercedes, which I did get one, and yeah. Well, I'm still on the hunt for the. Oh man, this one is nice. I already got one of these, and one of those, just bought them recently. But I'm definitely gonna need seconds to open. And also that's an exclusive, which this one does not meet my standards, so I'm gonna pass on it. And just gonna go ahead and try another Target. Yeah. So stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. Oh, there's a Matchbox, but I mean, we already seen all those. And the monster trucks. 3 for $10, which is not bad. I mean, that's actually a good deal. And the NASCARs, buy one get one 50% off. So very nice sales. But yeah, man, the hunt continues. Vámonos. Yeah, so I'm actually at the registers at the same Target, and I seen that they have a little bit or a few more of the Hot Wheels.
In this are Hot Wheels are.
Este no es Hot Wheels. He's trying to show you that he likes this one.
I want it.
You want it?
Yeah, first are ours.
Okay, espérate. And damn, take a look, man. I was just taking a quick glance, and look this. Espérate, mira. Felipe, acomoda este ahí. Ponlo ahí, please.
Okay.
Take a look at this, man. This is the Fast and the Furious again. It just has a. Oh, I thought it was cracked, but it isn't. It was just some fuss.
Yeah.
Or something. But then again, man, so yeah, this is the second one right here. Very nice. But anyways, man, I'm gonna cut it here because this guy's gonna start making a mess. Stay tuned, guys.